Is Google Chrome acting slow or are certain websites not loading correctly? Often the solution is simply clearing your browser cache. It's a very simple process that can fix loading error and speed up your browsing experience. Let me show you how to do it in just a few clicks. Open settings. Now you can see delete browsing data here. Click on it and select the delete browsing data here. Click on it. And there are lots of options. You can select the last 15 minutes, last hour till last 24 hour, all time, and you can see last 7 days, last 4 weeks. Choose whatever you want. I will choose the all time and I will check this cache image and files. You can see I have 151 MB cache. You can select more settings. You can select browsing history and etc, but I will go for only cached image and files. I have checked this and cleared on delete data here. Click on it and it will completely deleted the cache. After the process is finished, close the Google Chrome entirely and reopen it for the changes to take effect. That's it. Your browser should be running much smoother now. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech updates. If you are still having trouble with a specific website, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to help you. See you in the next video.